Are you looking for a Mother's Day breakfast or brunch for the mom in your life? I've got one for you, Coddled Eggs. It's this gorgeous egg that's baked with cream and cheese, crispy panko, fresh herbs. Beautiful, easy, and delicious. Let's get started. So these coddled eggs are really easy. Gently crack your eggs into your ramekins. 1 egg for small ramekins, and bigger eggs, 2 eggs for bigger ramekins. Carefully pour over about a tablespoon of cream on each one. Then salt and pepper them. And then you need your cheese. I'm going to put Parmesan, the grated powdery stuff, on one, and I'm going to use some Asiago on another. You can do anything you want with these. That's why they're so great. Very yummy. All right, and on one of these, I'm gonna put some Aleppo chili flake, just for some spice. I'm gonna make 2 different kinds. And then on this one, I'll do some sun-dried tomatoes. You can do anything you want. And then the pièce de résistance is these beautiful crunchy panko crumbs. And just give them a nice tablespoon or so of these. And stick them into your 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So my coddled eggs are out of the oven. Look at these babies, they look so good. So for my Italian version, I'm just gonna sprinkle over some fresh basil. And for the other, I think a little bit of parsley and a little bit of bacon. You can do whatever you want with these. And if you go right in, oh, look at that. You know what this needs? A little dunk. Oh, nice. What about this one? Oh, yeah. You see that crunchy cheese and oozy yolk? Oh, look at that. This is good stuff. You want to try that, right?